Are you looking for investment opportunities in the life sciences sector? Do you want to stay updated on the latest clinical trials and scientific breakthroughs? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into a due diligence overview of Cytovation ASA, a clinical stage immuno-oncology company. But before we begin, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Now, let's get into it. Cytovation ASA is a clinical stage immuno-oncology company headquartered in Bergen, Norway. It is focused on developing innovative peptide-based therapies that selectively destroy tumor cells and stimulate the immune system to recognize and kill cancer cells. The company's lead therapeutic candidate is 𝗖𝗵𝗃, also known as CY101, which is a first-in-class dual-acting peptide being tested across a range of solid tumor types and rare disease indications. Cytovation's technology is based on a proprietary platform that enables the engineering of peptides, which are small chains of amino acids that can be designed to have specific biological activities. 𝗖𝗵1 was engineered to target the negatively charged membranes of cancer cells. Upon intratumoral administration, it disrupts the tumor cell membrane, causing cell lysis and the release of tumor-specific neoantigens. This process stimulates both innate and adaptive immune responses against the tumor. In parallel, 𝗖𝗵1 inhibits the 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗏 signaling pathway, which is often dysregulated in cancer cells and contributes to tumor growth and immune evasion. By targeting this pathway, Cytovation aims to overcome resistance mechanisms commonly observed in solid tumors. The company is advancing 𝗖𝗵1 through a range of early-phase clinical studies, including the 𝗖𝗬𝗧𝗢𝗏 basket study, which is evaluating the safety and preliminary efficacy of 𝗖𝗵1 in patients with advanced solid tumors including melanoma and triple-negative breast cancer. Interim results from the study indicate a favorable safety profile and encouraging activity in a range of tumor types. Cytovation is also conducting a Phase 2A trial in refractory melanoma patients who have failed checkpoint inhibitor therapy. Additionally, the company is exploring 𝗖𝗵1 for other cancers and non-oncologic conditions such as recurrent respiratory papillomatosis. To support its clinical development, Cytovation has formed research and development collaborations with international cancer research organizations and raised over $28 million in Series A funding. These strategic partnerships have enabled the company to advance its lead candidate and establish a robust pipeline of novel peptide-based therapies. From a regulatory and IP perspective, 𝗖𝗵1 has received Orphan Drug designation from the FDA for the treatment of adrenocortical carcinoma, which is a rare form of cancer. This designation may provide the company with certain regulatory incentives and support market exclusivity. Cytovation has also secured strong intellectual property protection for its peptide platform and clinical assets. However, there are some risks to consider. As with any early-stage clinical program, there is a risk that 𝗖𝗵1 may not demonstrate consistent safety and efficacy in larger and more diverse patient populations. Moreover, progression to market is contingent on successful trial outcomes and regulatory approvals. Finally, Cytovation operates in a highly competitive immuno-oncology landscape and will need to demonstrate distinct therapeutic benefits and differentiation to gain market share. In conclusion, Cytovation ASA is an up-and-coming biopharmaceutical company with a promising pipeline of peptide-based therapies. Its lead candidate, 𝗖𝗵1, shows potential in treating various cancers by directly targeting tumor cells and stimulating the immune system. While risks are inherent in any clinical stage company, Cytovation's early clinical data and strategic partnerships are key selling points. As it continues to advance its lead asset through the clinic, the company's success will depend on its ability to demonstrate clinical efficacy, secure regulatory approvals, and establish a distinct market position. This concludes our due diligence overview of Cytovation ASA. Please note that this information is current as of the video's recording and may not reflect subsequent developments. We encourage you to conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Stay tuned for more in-depth company overviews and due diligence analyses. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.